We have two Casablanca ceiling fans that we cannot reverse. The wall switch is an old Intel switch which says to hold both buttons down to reverse. The fans were installed, we think, in 1988-1989. There is no reverse switch on the actual fan.
What's the brand and model of your ceiling fan? How old is it?
Not sure of model. It's a Casablanca. Approximately 31 years old. Fans work, but they are moving in a counterclockwise position and we want them to go clockwise.
How long has this been going on with your ceiling fan? What have you tried so far?
Since we bought the house September 2019.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be helping you today.
Hello, Franklin.
So you have two Casablanca fans. Do you happen to have any information on what model they might be?
No, unfortunately.
Is it possible for you to provide me with a photograph of one of the fans?
Sure. Customer attachment July 19, 2020, 8:12:10 p.m. Did you get pictures?
Yes, I did, thanks. I'm just checking to see if I can get further information for you. Give me just a moment. The most likely problem is the control switch or the receiving unit in the fan. Here is the Service Center website, which can give you information on replacing those components as well as how to order. www.casablancafanrepair.com. That should resolve your problem. Please free to contact us again if you any further trouble. Thanks.
Would you know if the actual fan has a reverse switch on it anywhere?
Unfortunately, it does not. They were designed to work with a control switch for added convenience.
Looking at the control switch. Do you know which two buttons I'm to push to reverse it?
It is both the fan and the light buttons at the same time to reverse the direction.
That's what we have tried and it does not work.
That indicates that the control switch or the receiving unit in the fan itself has gone bad and needs replacing.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.